with his performance against Lasal, and ano yung kailangan nyo pang i-polish so you can be in the final four this season after this performance?
Well, siguro ano lang, what this game tells us is that we should compete. We could actually beat a team like Lasal. Half-time yata na sinabi ko sa kanila, kaya nyo ba? Mukhang naman kaya nyo. So, I think that's one realization that we had. Because pre-season, we lost twice to Lasal by a big margin. So, siguro ngayon, it's more of a realization for them. But we don't settle with just competing against the stronger teams. Gusto pa rin namin sana kung kunin ang panalo. We'll make some adjustments moving forward.
Thank you. To Cedric, you have 19 points, 9 rebounds, 1 block, 1 assist. So, siyempre, yung mga napananood yung championship sa pre-season, history na, ito na, UAP na. So, ano yung kailangan nyo gawin para mag-translate, madala yung success nyo during the pre-season to the UAP? Para siyempre, ano makabawi kayo rito from this loss to the Sun?
Siguro yung sinabi nga ni Coach na dapat mas nilisin pa namin yung paisa-isa namin mali. So, tapos, maglaro kami as a team kasi hindi namin kaya yung Lasal individually. So, as a team kami mananalo.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the rest of the questions, guys.
Coach, last season we saw a few attempts to have Cedric play a stretch 5. We saw it becoming a deliberate strategy this game. Is that really part of your plan po?
Well, it's not a deliberate strategy, but it's really part of his development moving forward. Because it's a responsibility of us coaches to really prepare him for the pros. So, siyempre, ayaw lang namin na on his first year, he takes those 3-pointers. So, kumbaga, dahan-dahan lang kami. And I think this is the time. Over the last couple of months, even last year naman, tumitira siya ng 3 points. But right now, I think he is more confident. We are more confident as coaches with his shot. And with his free throws, mas nagiging steady na. So, that's a weapon of his moving forward. And that will help us, no? If he starts connecting sa 3. Yeah, that will help.
For Sid, with the development the coaches are planning for you, how do you feel na makakontribute siya sa team and to the success ng team?
Siguro, confident naman ako sa team ginawa kasi pinapractice ko naman simula ng pre-season, ginagawa ko naman. So, kapag tumatama na yun, malaking impact sa amin yan kasi pag sumama sa akin yun, may makakapag sa amin.
Cedric, how motivated ka lang final year sa UAP?
Sobrang motivated ako kasi last year ko na to. So, every game sa akin, mas lalo kong ginagalingan kasi parang last year ko na to. So, wala nang
What can you say about first game ni Earl dito sa college yung case? Earl Medina. Yeah, Earl Medina.
Well, I think today, defensively, he was really present. But offensively, there was struggle. But that's expected naman, especially from a young player. We acknowledge his presence on the floor, and we know that he was able to give us positive contributions. So, something that will help us, I think, down the road. That will also give him more confidence sa mga susunod na games.
Coach, from your standpoint, ano yung mga positives from this game, from your players, tactically siguro, that you want to bring to the next few games also?
Well, a lot. And to be honest, this is something that I told the team as early as Feb, I think. No? I think the challenge this year for us is how to be tough defensively. Because last year we were number one sa defense. Number two was Hierro, Kalisay, Ramos, Barasi. So those are our defenders. No? So sabi namin, yun ang pinaka-challenge. I think this year, there are improvements offensively because may mas nakaka-shoot sa amin yun. But defensively, medyo nagdududa ako sa kanila. But again, what this game tells us is that because a team like Lasal, you limit them to 60, tells a lot. Right? Tells a lot. See, Lasal, I think last year average in the 80s maybe, or late.
Coach, ano yung masasabi mo na on paper, Lasal kasi possibly, arguably the best team. Pero yun nga.
Champion naman. Hindi pa ka nagsisimula. Champion na daw. Nababasa ko.
Pero
sino ba yung nagsulat doon dito? Diba?
Pag inisilang po na ano niyo sila under 60. 60.
That's an achievement for us. No, you limit them to 60, but it also tells the other teams, I think, no, in the journey that a team like Lasal will be able to that number. No, so si Lasal will prepare more. Pag-aaralan din nila ito, how they increase that again to 70 and 80s. No? So, yun, explosive. It's a very explosive team. Si Baclana, wala pa nga yata na-score today. Diba? So, I imagine if Cortez could score close to 20 and the Baclana will score close to 20 in your Phillips and your Mason. 80 na kagad yun, apat na tao pa lang. Diba? So, at least for today. Now, yeah, we've done our part defensively, I guess. Minus some mistakes.
Thank you, Coach Nash and Cedric. See you sa next game.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Tulog kayo, ha?